Hello my crafty loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a collective haul to share with you. I was able to grab some goodies from Scrapbooking Made Simple, from scrapbooking.com, from Sassy Club. I believe that's it. So let me go ahead and show you all the goodies I was able to get. So the first one is from Scrapbooking Made Simple. I was able to get, she had some bundles of all and create Christmas stamps, and I believe she had papers too, I think it was. So she had 4 different bundles. She had bundle 1, which is this one. She had another one, 3 that were stamps, and I believe 2 were papers or something like that. So I went ahead and got one of the stamps. So let's go ahead and show you. And the sale price was $47.99. And look at that. And this is their Christmas release for this year. So they're able to get the bundle 1 had this one, which is a reindeer, and it does come with 2 sentiments, and it is a clear stamp. I got that one. And then I also got this one here. Look at that. So you come with the Christmas tree, cookies, and a little stem. And you also get a sentiment there. That. This was a great deal. And then I also got the elf and like the 2 elves. And these also come with sentiments. I got those. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. Look at this. So Merry Moose. So you get 2 of those. And look at that. And then some more elves. Love, love, love. And for the price is actually pretty good. You save quite a bit. So that was from scrapbooking.com. I mean, that was from Scrapbooking Made Simple. I was able to get that. Okay, the next one I have here is from the Sassy Club. And they have some of the cutest stamp ever. So I was able to get some, I believe this was, yeah, these 2 I believe were the new release, and this one was the old one. So this one here is the Demon Hunter stamp, and I will put an image in the video so you can see, cause yeah. Yeah, so this is a Demon Hunter stamp that they created. I saw this, I had to have it. Look at that. And you do get the characters, and you do get some sentiments. So I got that one. And then, of course, I had to get the Mickey Halloween. This is, growing up, this was one of my favorite cartoons to watch. And you do get some sentiments, and you could do, this is actually a good size. So here goes this one. And I will put links to both shops, well, to the shops where I got these. Got that one. And this one is a TV die. And I thought because they do have a stamp. And I thought I ordered it, but I didn't. So I put an order for it, but this is a little TV die set, and it just creates like a retro TV. So you do have your outer piece, You got the background piece, you got the cover, this is where the TV part is, the antenna, you even got the knobs and all that. Now, a lot of you youngins don't know how these types of TVs really look, but before the flat screen, we used to have the box TVs. So this was this. And those were some days. But yeah, I did get those from there. Now, my next thing I want to show you is from scrapbooking. My scrapbooking haul. Okay, first thing I want to share is I ordered a silicone this is like a silicone I want to say it grips also, but it's a silicone mat, and this was a big size. Let me open it so you can look at this one. I do have the black one also, but I wanted a white one so it's not so dark sometimes. So let me show you this. Look at that. This is one of the bigger sizes. I think they got 3 different sizes that you could get, but I got the white one. I like that. So I got this one. So we got that one. Now, I did get some free gifts from scrapbooking.com. We got a few things. This one's actually a free gift, so I got another dapper, which is actually pretty awesome. And since I did 2 different orders, I got 2 of them. This one here was another free gift, and this makes the I believe it was a flower. Oh no, this makes like a little cupcake, and you can put it in the little center. So this was another free gift. Now from this one was also another free gift, which was a 3D embossing folder. Oh, it's an embossing and cut. There was a butterfly one. So you get the die to cut the butterfly, and you get the embossing. So this was another free gift from scrapbooking.com. So I got that. Now, stuff that I ordered from there, I did order me a new pair of scissors. So I got me those. I do like the little small ones that I use for my fussy cutting, so I saw this on sale. I went ahead and grabbed that. Now they did also have a new embossing powder, and look at the color. The pink embossing powder. Oh my god, I saw this, I had to have it. So I got this one. Well, you never know if it's something they'll keep, but I even got the pink embossing powder. Now this one here is Crafter's Companion Shimmer Spray. Now they did have 4 of them in stock for $3.99, but I missed out on the other ones, but I was able to get the purple and the green, which is okay with me because I like the Halloween colors. Okay, they had 4 of them. They had, I believe, like a golden champagne color and I believe an orange. So I didn't get those, but I was able to get those 2. Now this one is limited time, so if you like Lisa Horton ink pads, she came out with this one here, which is Sunset Pink, and this is a limited edition, so once it sells, it's done. So if you like the color shifting, this is a must get. And if you haven't seen it, she does have a YouTube where she showed that, and I will link that below also. So the day before it went on sale that she did her tutorial. I went ahead and put an order on that. I didn't want to miss out on that because sometimes stuff sells out really quick. And while I was in there, because I do like her inks, I got these two here. They're sold out on a lot of them, of these colors, but I went ahead and got one of these. So I'm waiting for the other ones to come back in stock. I got those, and I do love her inks. And then the last thing I snagged out was this bat stencil. I believe it's only, I want to say one. Well, it might be more than one. Okay, yeah, this one is the bat, and then it does have little, stars kind of to it. So I also got that one. So yeah, that is my little collective haul of goodies. I will link every shop in the description below so you can go check them out. And like I always say, subscribe, not only to my channel, but to their website so that you know when they do drop or have sales. Because, you know, crafting is expensive. And the best part is to be able to save money while we can. So yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I do upload another video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.